Well, his early concerns were with the plight of the worker. One of his earliest plays written, I think, before he left Berlin, he was in Berlin from 1896 to 1899, was about a worker who developed some invention which helps the printing press or whatever he was working with, and the boss is not sympathetic, and eventually he smashes his machines and gives up, and eventually the boss maybe at some point takes advantage of him for a patent that he should have had. So he's very concerned with injustices to the workers. And then at some point he had themes dealing with what people refer to as sex, but romantic things and strivings. At that point it was considered kind of far out. When he wrote Yankel de Schmid, which was eventually made into a movie, The Singing Blacksmith. It's about someone with a reputation for playing around a lot, who eventually meets a young innocent girl, and they get married, and one of his old flames comes and tries to seduce him, and deals with how he handles that. And so I guess I always thought of it as somewhat simplistic. It's hard to evaluate writing in a different language. But I always thought there was something kind of naive about the way things were written.